Magsi 7 o'clock na dito. Nandito pa din si kuya, mga palangga. Hala! Wow, grabe si kuya, ha? Oh my gosh, mga palangga, ang bilis niya. Kasi, di ba, yung in-update ko sa inyo kanina, or hindi ko nga in-update, sinabi ko lang na nagsimula siya. Ang laki na ng progress niya, mga palangga. Tingnan niyo. Oh, di ba? Kanina, dito pa lang siya. Ngayon, there na. Wow! Kudos kay kuya, ha? Ewan ko kung kailan uuwi si kuya. Mag-overnight siguro yan. Magna-night shift siguro yan si kuya. Ayay! That's why gustong-gusto talaga ni Mr. si kuya kasi ang bilis magtrabaho. Hindi kalugi kay kuya. Umuwi na si kuya. Kaya let's give you an update. Akala ko talaga magna-night shift. Akala ko madaling araw pa titigil. I can't believe, you know.
What?
The first video, he was still there. And now he's there. Right. Wait. Yeah, we go that way, facing the house, para makita nyo talaga yung progress. Come here, mister.
Fast, isn't it?
Here you go. Yeah, he's very fast. I told them that you like him because he's very fast. So, how many hours work is this? When did he arrive?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock and
Now 7 o'clock.
now 7 o'clock, mga palangga. I'm sorry, it's a bit windy. Hopefully you can hear me.
That's setting up as well, you see. That's the hardest bit, setting up.
So yeah, 5 hours work to ni kuya, and siya. Is he the one who makes this as well, like this, the cement?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All his own.
Oh.
Yeah. Got some as well.
So yeah. That's good, kuya, huh? No, he doesn't hang about. Right. Let's go to our wall. We will have a look. And that's it. It's finished. It looks like that one is a bit higher.
Higher?
No, this one. If you go to that side,
What's higher?
this one, it looks like it's going like that.
Yeah.
Do you think?
There's been a level on them.
Are you the one who put this?
I put the level on them.
Oh, so I'll blame you. I blame you then. Supposedly, the guy who did this, who put the stone, should do this. But then, Mr. have to do this. Just to save the job. To save the job.
Save money.
To save money. So, ayun. Si Mr. yung naglagay ng mga ganito.
No, it'll be alright. Once all panels are in, you know, it'll look alright.
It looks alright. Kasi kailangan pa itong lagyan ng panel, mga loves. So that's the update, and Kuya will be back tomorrow again. Isn't it, Han?
Depends on rain.
Oh, depends on the rain.
But it might be, it could be a weekend.
Okay.
That is nice. Wonderful.
Naku, umuulan. Di kaya to maaapektuhan yung ginawa ni Kuya. Ito mga hollow blocks. Dito yung nag-set na sila. Yan, basa pa. Umuulan. Hopefully, hindi mag-collapse ba? Trust the process kasi si Mr. nga hindi na bahala na umuulan. Ako pa kaya na bahala dito. Wala naman din akong alam. So, feeling ko okay na siguro to. Set na to. It's another day and I'm not sure kung pupunta ba ngayon si Kuya. So, tingnan na lang natin. We will wait and see. Kasi it's giving a rain for today kasi. Tumawag pala si Kuya and i-continue niya yung paggawa ng pader mga labs. Hello! Alright, I'm going.
Right.
Papunta tayo sa village shop para i-deliver tong parcel ni Mr. Thank you! Bye-bye! See you later! Para ihatid to. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya na, okay, I'll do it kasi you have too much thing to do. We're home, so hopefully it will arrive safely. Nandito na nga pala si Kuya. So, kakain na ako ng agahan kasi gutom ako mga palangga. Wala pa akong kain.
Go on, look. Quickly. He's in that corner now.
Oh, yeah. Tingnan
So
niyo.
he'll build that corner, and then he'll build that corner.
Which corner are we
And the
talking?
other corner.
The other corner.
The other end,
I cannot see it from here. Okay.
Yeah.
And then that level, he will stop.
That's the floor level of the house
Yeah.
now. Yeah. Well, you're stood down.
It looks like it's high, isn't it, for a floor level?
That's what the house is though, because the land's ground slopes away, you see.
Okay, so after ni Kuya mga palangga na tapusin tong ito second wall, they will put insulation, isn't it, Han?
Not in this one, no.
Oh, not in this one.
No, because this basically.
So after the second
Right.
wall is finished,
Yes.
you will
listen,
put a concrete for the floor.
Listen.
Yeah.
Once he's put the second row of brick blocks in, right, there's a gap in between, the cavity in between. But that is filled with sharp sand and cement up to 4 inches below that top of the block. So halfway up that last block, basically, the cavity will be full of concrete as such.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gagawa ako ng cookies. So, meron akong recipe dito na print out. So, disclaimer, hindi ako baker mga palangga. And this is my first time to bake a cookie. So, huwag niyo akong i-judge. So, I will try my best na i-follow yung recipe kasi hindi talaga ako nagpa-follow ng recipe. That's why, pag nabibake ako ng cake, I feel frustrated kasi yung lalabas sa oven, ano talaga siya, ibang-iba sa nakita ko sa online. Dito, kailangan natin ng 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of unsalted butter, 3/4 of dark brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, plus 1 egg yolk. Ala, naka-room temperature. Hindi naman to room temperature yung ating itlog. Bahala na si Batman. Ay, 2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 semi-sweetened chocolate chips. Ito lang yung meron ako. So, dito pa lang. And dito, hindi na natin nasunod yung ating recipe. Will be mga loves. Ay, nako naman. Right, whisk the flour, baking soda, cornstarch, and salt together in a large bowl. Alam niyo mga loves, ako talaga, mahilig ako sa cookie. I love a good cookie. Yung Subway cookie, I love it. Gustong-gusto ko siya. And mas masarap yung cookie pag chewy siya ba. Yan yung gusto ko sa mga cookie. So hopefully ma-achieve natin yan for today's cooking episode or baking episode, I would say. At i-combine lang natin lahat. Set aside. Magpapamelt lang muna ako ng butter kasi yung butter natin matigas pa. Hindi naman siya matigas. Naka-room temperature na to actually. I think that's enough. I need a 3/4 of melted butter. I think that will be enough. We'll see. Kailangan natin another bowl para dito natin i-mix yung butter, melted butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. And sabi dito, make sure na walang lumps. So, we will try our best. And then, yung ating melted butter. Then, i-whisk natin. I-whisk natin. I-whisk natin para wala. I-whisk natin para wala yung lumps. Mag-add na ako ng 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. And yes, mga loves, alam ko na yung sasabihin niyo na pinagbabawal talagang technique ang pag-break ng egg directly into the mixture kasi you never know pag yung egg is, ano ba, it's not a good egg. Kaya, pasensyahan niyo na. It smells so good, as in. Ilalagay na natin yung dry ingredients and mix. Mag-added ako ng kaunting dark chocolate. Mix lang talaga. Mix tayo, mix. So, yan na siya. So, kailangan ko na siyang ilagay sa fridge for 3 hours. So, I'll see you later on, mga loves. Ito, continue na natin tong ating paggawa ng cookie. Are you excited for your cookie, mister?
Secret.
Come here. Are you excited?
This is my excited best.
Yes, excited? Are you excited?
Yes.
So, maglalagay tayo ng parchment paper. I don't know how many cookies we'll be able to make kasi I was thinking to make a large cookies, 60 grams each cookies. Kaya titimbangin natin. Yeah, that's a large cookies is what he said.
King size cookies.
It says XL, extra large.
Stir that.
So let's see how many cookies. I like big cookies. Do you like big cookies?
Big cookies make me fat.
But first mga palangga, titingnan natin kung gaano ba kalaki yung 60 grams na cookie. Titingnan natin muna ha. Kasi kung tingin ko na sobrang laki tingnan, i-adjust natin. Pero sabi doon kasi sa recipe na yung 60 grams of cookie daw, yun yung large cookies. Matigas na yung cookie dough natin. Wow! Really hard. But let's see. Oh, that's too much. Feeling ko ang yung 16 grams of cookie. Feeling ko, na. 65. 60, exactly. That's our first cookie. Actually, para dumikit yung ating parchment paper, maglalagay tayo ng counting cookie dough dito sa ilalim. Lalo na dito sa pizza tin natin.
Biggest cookies ever, these.
So, nakagawa tayo ng 15 cookie bowl. So, i-oven ko na siya mga palangga and see you later. I cannot wait na matikman to ba. Ito na yung ating cookie. So, luto na siya. Mukhang madali mga loves. Dali lang. If that's make a difference. Yeah, ito na. Yan. So, papalamigin lang natin. Yan. So, nakalimutan ko pala i-mention na dito, I think these two, smaller sila. So, mga nasa 45 grams lang silang dalawa. Or ito ba? Basta may dalawang cookie bowl dito na tag 45 grams lang, but the rest are 60s. Right, balikan natin yan mamaya. I-stack lang natin sila kasi baka ma-tatuan ng langaw. Ito na sila lahat, malamig na. Yan. I cannot wait to try. Try na natin. What do you think, mister?
Whoa! They look like big chocolate cookies.
Yeah. Try na natin to.
Are they soft? Not eaten yet.
No, they're not hard. Look. In the middle.
Very hard. Let me taste a little bit with chocolate in.
What? What do you think?
They're very bad for you.
It's good. Mmm. Very good.
Right, fishing like might be. Oh, not this here.
So good. Nagawa ko ng hot chocolate. Yung ano niya, gitna niya, moist pa din. So, crunchy outside, pero yung inside niya, moist pa din. That's good.